Give it down. Go.
I'll do it.
Sir, how to do it? Sir, give. Sir, give.
So you have to take care of this water because this water you have to use that bowl, isn't it? For everyday wear. Now you carry it, take around. Slowly, no need to hurry. Slowly. You're not supposed to drop water. Yeah, go. Yeah, take around. So you have to cook food also. You have to see the time also. You have to go to school after cooking food. You have to go to school. You have to do daily work. So how you have to move? Yes. Tired.
So how is it? Difficult?
Yes, sir. Difficult. Sir.
Yes.
Shortcut is there. Let's go.
But there's a fence, no?
Eh?
Wow, feeling difficult, Pritish?
Yes.
Or are you enjoying? Siddhant,
Yes.
how are you feeling?
Very bad.
Very bad? Why? Is it easy?
No.
Adventurous?
No.
Pritish, great times? Yes, enjoying? Very much? Let's see how much water you have. Oh wow, a lot of water. Kriti, is it difficult?
No, it's not.
It's easy? Oh. What happened? Heavy?
No, sir.
No?
No.
Manik, what happened?
Uh,
It seems that you need a lot of water.
Huh?
You need a lot of water?
Yes, I did.
For what? For food? No, and heavy?
Yes, sir.
Shall I help you out?
No, sir.
Oh, good. I wouldn't help you out anyways.
Yes, sir.
It's even very heavy for me.
Sir, take water.
No, you take bucket.
Water. मेरा पैन my पैन
Your pant is weight. Oh, okay. Oh my god. Rosmi, heavy?
Yes.
Oh my god. It seems that Mrigang is doing all the work. Mrigang, it seems that you need a lot of water. For what do you need so much water? And see, you're wasting water.
So look at others.
Oh my God, see, you're wasting more.
Multitasking.
Yeah, see?
Washing clothes and carrying water at the same time. That's a really big bucket. Isn't that heavy? Oh.
But it's not fair, no? Boys are getting the heavy buckets and the girls are getting small buckets. No, that's not fair.
Stop it, stop it, stop, stop.
Much they have to carry and how, what they have to do. Is this an easy job? So, just share your feelings. Very hard.
But Neha, you just carried a small bucket. How come it was difficult for you?
Yeah, express your feelings now. How you feel.
Just
If we
Neha.
try to go,
Yeah.
we will stop.
If you try to go also, you'll stop.
Yes.
Good. Next,
Ma'am, I don't know.
just
The villagers
compare.
carry this all.
Yeah, just compare you and the villagers.
Villagers carry two. One person carried two, then oh my god, I don't know. I will carry this.
Some of them they carry on the shoulders also. I've seen them.
Yeah.
But
Next,
I think they have a habit of doing it.
good point. Habit of doing. Yeah, good point.
And
Next.
we have habit of wasting water, yeah?
We don't have like this.
We wasted a lot of water, I think. See?
Yes.
Wasted a lot of
And
water.
then I saw Siddhan throwing water and carrying bucket. No. Okay.
He's honest, I think.
Okay. Next, feelings any? American, what about you?
It's very hard job.
Just imagine they have to carry their water, they have to cook their food. Yes, they have to carry their water, they have to cook food. Again, they have to go to school, again come back from the school, isn't it?
Mrigang, what is easier, football or carrying water? Football is easier, okay.
Right.
Because just you have to play, you don't have to carry anything, isn't it? Yes? Yes?
You only carry your body.
Yeah. Now we start measuring.
Can I drink?
Yep.
Mommy's going to.
Wow, who is tired? Who is tired over here?
I'm very, very tired.
Yeah? I could see that only Manik needed a lot of water. And some of you even washed your clothes also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, okay, so whose clothes are wet? Your clothes are wet? Siddha? Yeah, your clothes are wet?
Okay, listen. तिमीले यत्रो धेरै पानी बोक्यो है. Oh, sorry. You carry. Now you have to. What you have to do? You have to measure and you have to divide your water, isn't it? For cooking, for toilet, for whatever. Now just okay, Manik. I think Manik will do. Others will agree with that, isn't it? One can do. Okay. Yes, someone. Wait. I'll wait. I'll do this. Okay, now Manik, you just measure. Okay, now this water. Wait, this water for what? Washing clothes. Oh, for washing clothes, you need. That is enough.
For washing hands. Yes, for washing hands.
Okay, for washing hands. Okay. Now, what else? Uses of water. We are doing uses of water, isn't it? Now, washing hand finished. Now, what about your face?
Yes, for face.
Okay. Now, what else?
For whole family or
Did I tell you to talk? Your turn will also come.
ma'am, for toilet.
Oh, that much. Okay. That is for toilet. Okay. Okay. That much. Okay.
It's for only you or it's for the whole team? Whole team? Oh my god.
I don't think so. I think you need toilet paper for that. Okay.
And maybe for washing hands you can use sanitizer, right?
Yes, next what? Next what? For what? You don't have to take bath?
Yes, only that much.
Only that much?
That was only this. then body, then leg. Hand. You stay inside. Put. Then body, then leg.
Now, next, what else? Cooking food, yes. That much only? Now what else? Now again you have to go and fill up water. Now just imagine 2 rounds. Again 2 rounds. So washing clothes means 1 baltin water is enough to wash clothes. So
Okay, now Neha will do it for 4 rounds.
4 rounds? Yeah. Yes.
But with bigger bucket. Yeah, can you? Maybe which one? Can you choose one? This.
This or this?
No, there's no water.
So just imagine how hard is it, isn't it?
Nisha also did.
Now you have understood the importance of water. Yes. How important is water? Now will you waste water? Are you sure? Yes. Okay, thank you so much.
That means you will waste water. Yes.
Okay, now what we'll do this survey work after lunch because you all are wet, right? So please go and stand over there.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for carrying water.
Okay. Go and sit over there, group A. Okay.
Wow. So, okay, now you should run also. Oh no, don't run. Anuga, heavy, right? Difficult? Kriti or Shruti? Kriti. Difficult? Kind of. Agaman, what happened?
Nothing.
Easy, right?
Yeah.
Don't worry. You'll have more rounds to go.
Yeah, carry like that. This one carry like this. With both hands. Very good, Ashray. Very good, Dodo.
Ashray, which is easier? Football, what is easier? Football or carrying water?
Football.
Vardhan, you even managed to wash your clothes.
Yes, sir.
What? Oh. Come on, slow and steady wins the race. Chelsea? Easy, right? So it's hard to carry water. It's fun. But since, okay, if it's 2 rounds, it's fun. If it's every day, then?
My God, sir. Really? So much.
No, you cannot. Oh, that's cheating, Ashray. From that side.
Oh, I didn't know.
Now you know it. So just go there. Oh, wait. Vardhan, what happened? Watch out. Slow and steady. Oh, Gopesh, slow. The first group even managed. Oh, what? You will damage all the buckets. So in all your PE periods, you will carry water now. Like this. You know this is water for everyone, and you also know this is bucket also for everyone. Only in 2 small rounds you are tired.
So I think we have to do another 2 rounds.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this time you use the bigger bucket.
So can you do another 2 rounds?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Okay, so why don't you choose a bigger bucket?
Now just compare. Okay. Come closer. Come closer. Come closer.
Can you bring all the buckets in the center?
All the buckets you can.
And we'll see how much water you have collected and how much water you have wasted.
Oh, don't put that. That was Halim.
I can see that some of you did multitasking. You even managed to wash your clothes. Yeah?
Do you think this water is enough for a whole day? So now, if it's not enough, then what you have to do? Again go till you are so far away from the sources of water, isn't it? So again you have to go till there to carry water. Now just no, you don't want to carry now.
I want to.
Because you have the small buckets, that's why. Very clever.
Let's do it.
See the height. That's why I gave that bucket.
Oh.
Now just compare you and that villagers. Now give some your feelings. Yes, share your feelings. Bardhan, share your feelings. Very hard.
We're quite tough.
It's quite tough. Yes. Now just imagine in morning just you have to get up, be ready and come to school. Just you have to study. You don't have to do anything, isn't it? And then just imagine about the villagers. They have to carry water, they have to cook food, they have to wash their clothes, everything. And then they will go to school. That is also far away from the village. And again come back from the school. Again do the daily work, isn't it? So what you have to do now? You have to stop. Yes. Other?
Ma'am, we are very lucky that
Very good. Yeah.
such heavy job. Yeah.
You need to reuse the wastewater.
Yes.
It is dirty, we can use it for toilets.
Yes, very good.
Ma'am, and most of the houses should have a system. After it rains, it gathers and slowly purifies, so it becomes
You
easy.
mean to say that they should have a rainwater collection place, isn't it? Very good. Next. What else?
We can make wells also. Like we can make wells in one of the place which is nearby everybody.
Where you can collect
Everybody.
where you collect everyone for everyone you can make a one well for a certain area. Okay, good idea. Yes. Next. What else? What else?
What about the wastewater? Shall we use it again or not?
Yes, by purifying.
Yeah, you can purify it, right? You can use it, you can even drink that water. If you purify it properly. Yeah, of course, I won't tell you to drink that water without purifying it. Okay, so first, before it looked like fun, right? It seemed fun. But now I think somebody even managed to break their back.
Oh, yes.
I hope your backs are alright.
Yeah,
Okay.
sir, it is all right.
Yeah,
Yeah, so
okay.
So now, understood? So water is very important.
The ground which where you carried water was plain, right? But in the rural areas, it's not plain, it's ups and downs. See, so that means they do a lot of hard work every day. Okay, so thank you for.
everyone. Okay, everyone go and sit over there. You all are there.